Okay guys, welcome to my pink cleaning products or pink cleaning hour. I love cleaning with products that I find pretty. I know that sounds random, but I do. So these are all my pink cleaning products I could find. Now this brush I've never used before, but I thought it looked quite interesting because it can scratch off like burnt food and things off your stove without scraping off the paintwork. So I thought, oh, I'll give it a go. And also it's pink, because this is called Pink Cleaning Hour. So yeah, I thought I'd use that. I might not use it today because I don't really have any burnt food around on the cooker at the moment, but we'll give it a whirl and see what it's like. So the next thing is disinfectant wipes. I tend to use the Tropical Blossom from Pine Clean. I love those wipes. They smell amazing, and I just go around and do all my house with the wipes, and then I use a microfiber cloth afterwards with my spray and wipe. So then I've got some disposable cleaning cloths, and they're in a vanilla scent, and of course they're like a pinky colour. It's so funny, my husband came in before and he's like, what's with all the pink cleaning products? And then I've got the pink stuff. So this is a little bit like the gumption that you can buy in Australia. This is from England. I got this from the English shop because yeah, you can't get this from Coles or Woolies, but you can get it from the English shop, and it's brilliant. I use it to get off like colour stains around the salon, like off the walls. I use it to get off any marks around your walls, and then once and I use it on my cooker as well. And then I've got the Ajax bathroom spray. Now, I'm not doing much in my bathroom today because I did do a bathroom clean yesterday, so I'm just tidying around it today. And next I've got my favourite product of all, which is the sanitizer deodorizer Novak in the Garden Breeze. Now, I spray this on my sofa, my bed, my poof, any kind of carpets. You're supposed to spray it on carpets, but I spray it on everything. And in the dog's bed, like, it smells amazing. As the one that I use in the dog's bed is pet safe, but that one, the Garden Breeze, you can't use in the dog's bed, but the other one that you can use in the dog's bed. So this next is the fabric Febreze. So I tend to use that a lot. Yeah, I spray it on my walls. It makes my house smell like washing. Just like wipe over my skirting boards, light switches. Yeah. So the next thing is the pink grapefruit all-purpose cleaner. So yeah, I'll be using that around with the microfiber cloth after I've gone over with the wipes. And then I've got the pomegranate, I think, on the berry sensors Ajax floor cleaner. They're my bin buddy to make my bins smell nice. If you haven't used them before, they're amazing. And this I haven't used before. I thought I'd give it a whirl because, as I say, this is the pink cleaning product hour. So, and it also, when you come out, it comes out in pink, so it makes your toilet look pink, which I think is pretty cool. And then I've got my Ajax spray and wipe. So yeah, there you go guys, all my pink cleaning products for today. So yeah, let's crack on. Okay guys, so first things first is to put some tunes on. I usually put YouTube on, which is like an ocean or any kind of playlist that's just nice and uplifting to get me in the mood for cleaning. So the first things first is I'm going to go around and I'm going to declutter everywhere and just put everything back in its place and unload the dishwasher, and then load up my cleaning caddy ready to carry around the house and do my cleaning. So I tend to just carry it around with me as I go. Next thing is my disinfectant wipes. Now I leave the bin lid open because obviously I go through so many of those wipes, so I just keep chucking them in. That's why the bin lid's open. So then I'm gonna go around and just kind of move everything while I can get in between everything and clean all the cooker with the wipes. And once I've gone around with the wipes, then I'll go over with a microfiber cloth and my spray and wipe after. Okay, so I'm still going over the cooker. I tend to go over it quite a few times. But once I've finished the cooker, then I will move on to the sink and use my disinfectant. That's the lavender disinfectant. Now I usually use the Flora, but I can't get any at the moment. So I'm using the lavender disinfectant, which is really, really nice. And I just do hot water and a cloth, and I just go around and wipe everything over with a disinfectant cloth. just because with Corona going around at the moment, I just feel a lot more safer if I just disinfect everywhere. So I do that with the walls, the windsills, all over the kitchen. So the next thing I'm going to do is clean my sink. Now I clean my sink with bicarbonated soda and vinegar, and it fizzes up as you can see in the picture. And then I just go around and give it a really, really good scrub with the, now I usually leave, sometimes I might leave that on and do another job, but if I'm in a bit of a rush, I don't bother. So then once I've given it a really good clean, then I'll just go around and shine it up, and I use the steel cleaner with a microfiber cloth again, and just go around and just give it a really good shine and make it all nice and shiny. Okay guys, on to the pet area. Now this little drawer here my husband bought from IKEA, and that is a little cat flap. A lot of people ask me about this drawer. It's where the cat's food lives, because the dog eats the cat's food. So we put the cat's food in there, and then the dog can't eat it. So I tend to vacuum it out once a week and give it a really good clean. And also I'm wiping all underneath my breakfast bar, as that gets dog hair on it and just grease and stuff. And then I'm just shining up my chairs. Now I use dryer sheets to go over my chairs because they get rid of hair, and then I go over with the stainless steel cleaner and the microfiber cloth. Now I know this product's not pink, but it's one of my favorite products, as you can use it on glass, plastic, and you can also use it on leather and wood as well. So I do, because I've got quite a lot of shiny gloss furniture, I use the Pledge Mr. Sheen cleaner, and I love it. So now I'm going over with my Febreze. I just think it makes everything smell nice. I put it all over the walls, I put it all over the furniture. I clean my chairs with it. Once I've gone over my chairs with the Pledge cleaner, then I'll go over with the Febreze as well. It just makes everything smell nice. And when you do this, people come in and go, oh, you're doing some washing, your wash smells nice. And it's not, it's just wiping over everything and making your house smell nice. So now I'm going over with bicarbonated soda. Now I sprinkle all this all over my sofa, and I leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then I give it a really, really good vacuum. Now what this does is it gets rid of all the odours, and it also gets rid of any germs, any bacteria that sits on your sofa, and I do that all the time really. I would say I probably do that about once a week, and then I take ages vacuuming this poof because it drives me insane with those lines. So I just keep doing that, and then once I've done that, I use my no vac and I sprinkle it all over the sofa, and it makes everything smell amazing. So now I'm going over with a microfiber cloth and the Febreze that's been in hot water, and I'm just going over all my walls, because like I said before, if you spray over everything, like your doors, your door handles, it just makes everything smell like washing. It's just so fresh. I love it. Now onto the bedroom. This little monster always decides to get on the bed when I'm trying to make it. He's a little nightmare for it, but I just sit there and give him a cuddle. Don't realise how fluffy and old he's getting, poor little thing. So yeah, I'm onto the bed now. So what I'm going to do now is, I did make the bed with fresh bedding yesterday. So all I'm doing today is just giving it a quick Febreze. So I do that every morning. Every time I make my bed, I sprinkle my bed with Febreze, and it just makes it smell really nice. And then the next job is putting all the washing away. Don't you just love putting washing away? Not. What is one of your pet hates? One of my pet hates is washing. Comment below and tell me what one of your pet hates is. I would love to know. Vacuum the bed. Now I'm playing with the cat again and I'm not getting on with cleaning. So now I'm just going to give the vacuum just a little once over. I did the bathroom yesterday, so I don't really need to do it all. So I'm just going to wipe it all over. And then that's it, guys. It's all done. Yeah, I didn't have to do much in the bathroom. I just gave it a little wipe over in the mirrors because I tend to do the bathroom separately. I find that if you do one zone at a time, it's so much easier. So that's it, guys. I'm going to sit down, relax, and I'm going to watch Too Hot to Handle. This is such a good show. If you haven't watched it, I would highly recommend it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.